Sarap, sarap. Kape, kape. At saka may daing. Ayan, iinit ko ito lahat. Iinit lahat. Para masarap. Diba? Pag madalian guys, ito. Pagka hindi madalian, nag-on ba? Hindi nag-on. Wala, ayaw na. Bakit ayaw mag-on ito? Ayun. Pag madalian, syempre, yun ang gagamitin. Pag hindi nagmamadali, ayan, ito na pala. Luto na pala. Ano yan pa? Okay guys, ito na. Pag kanina, I did cook there sa may kalan. I changed my plan. Meron palang uling eh. So, look at the fan, oh. Ano mo lang yan dyan, and then it's okay. Turbo, aeroplano, helicopter. Maya magkukulo na yan niluluto ko. Kukulo ko ito si manok, ah. Oh, nahabol niya talaga doon sa labas. We're trying to, to tame the chicken first. Maybe a couple of days from now, so then the chicken knows that this is her home. What happened? Why did you jump? You always want to jump. Ito yung this is the one that, limlim, fertilizing her egg. Ewan ko lang, alalala, dangerous. Sana walang tingnan ko kung buo pa ito. Hinog na kasi eh. Ay, luckily. Hinog. Tutong na guys, natutong na kasi. Wait lang. Natutong guys, natutong. Ang lakas kasi ng apoy. Ganun talaga. Tanggalin na ito. Pagka may fan, ang bilis. Tutong on the go. What happened? Yan na tutong. Ay, economical way of cooking yan guys. That's the charcoal. Diba? Hoy, masarap. Gonna have a good lunch. Brunch. And by the way, we're using this kalan, a mix of gas, but 98% we use this one. It saves us. This is not cheap. To buy this one, I think this costs 1,100 or 1,200 each, depending on the gasoline prices. But that's how it runs, the price. And we also use a pure coconut oil. Let's see. Okay, so this is what it is. Instead of buying a small portion, we buy this one, Palawan coconut oil. It's a little bit costly, but then it lasts longer. Guys, this is yummy. I'm gonna ask my daughter to make me some, because if you buy this outside, of course, Starbucks 170, but this way, you get it for a good price, and I think quality and taste-wise, it's the same, if not better. Yes! Saan ang kanin? Ito na ang tuyo. Dapat matakpan ito, hindi pwede yung walang takip. The langaw is going to catch that. The old sinigang. This is vegetable. Kalabasa yan, na inihaw. Kanya-kanyang trippings lang ito. Ang kanya, kanin na may sabaw ng kape. Okay, sarap. May kanin pa? Hindi nga. Oo. Kanin. Dumadami ang langaw kasi nga, madaing tayo. No tayong daing, okay sana yan. We can't afford to have no daing ano-ano. Sarap ba? Early morning. So today guys, siguro ang gagawin ko, tapusin ko na yung laba ko. Then, do some computer works. And then, lakad-lakad, drive-drive. Parang inuubos mo ang pagkain ko. Ayun niya. Inubos niya na, guys.
Ano mo lang content na tama sa'yo mo.
Minsan masaya rin. Parang binuang lang.
Bigyan mo ng kwan.
Meron mga
Kasi
content.
kahit ako nanonood, kita ko lagi mga ganun-ganon. Alisin kung nakalay ba. Oo, naniwala ka sa akin. Hindi rin masaya. Lalo pa yung camera na gano'n.
Tama rin. Anyways, magbabay na nga ako, guys, kasi sayang naman yung aming conversation. Magtahimik na lang kami. Ako naman, naisip ko lang, ipakita ko lang yung the other side of life natin. Okay? So, goodbye, folks.